Hi everyone, this is Haley Ashcroft. This is for Enhancement 5. I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how my client-side and server-side validation works for my add a product form and add a category form. So I'm going to pull up my Acme website. I'm going to pull up the product management page. So that'll be in the products folder, index.php. So here I have the product management page. You can see as well, just as a side note, that my navigation is working, and it works on all the views. But this is after creating a function for it, putting it in the functions.php file, and then calling that function in some of my other files. So I'm going to click on Add a New Category. First, I'm going to show you guys my client-side validation. So I'm going to leave this input empty. I'm going to hit Submit. And it says please fill out this field. So that is working. And then I'm going to hit no validate. We'll get rid of the client side and just look at the server side. And it says please provide a category name. So you can see that it gives an error because the form is not filled out the way it's supposed to. So both client side and server side are working. And I come back to product management. We're going to look at the add a new product page. So I'm going to demonstrate client side first. I'm going to select a category here as well from the drop-down menu just to show you guys that the stickiness for this drop-down menu is working as well. So I'll click explosive for that. And the stickiness is going to work for this entire form. So again, this is for client side. And it says please fill out this field. So it lets us know that the form is not filled out. Filled out in its entirety, and I'm going to hit no validate here. This is just a server-side validation. And it says please fill out all information. So it gives us an error message here. But you'll notice my product name, product description, the product image path, as well as my product category drop-down menu, or the category that I've selected from that, they still show up even after I submit the form because the stickiness is working as well. That way the user doesn't have to restart filling out this long form. So everything works client-side and server-side for both of those pages. Now I'm going to show you guys how my HTML5 is valid on this page and the add a category page that I was just on. So this is the page source for add a product. I'm going to copy and paste that and do direct input in the HTML5 validation. So that works. There are no errors. So if I come back to this, I'm going to go to the product management page. We'll look at add a new category. View the page source for this. I'm going to copy and paste. And this one looks good too. Thank you so much for watching.